GST Audit. Stay compliant with Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If you're running a GST registered business, especially with high turnover or complex transactions, a GST audit is not just a formality, it's a critical compliance requirement under Indian tax law. At Filings Corner, we help businesses like yours navigate GST audits smoothly and accurately, ensuring 100% compliance and peace of mind. Let's break it down. What is a GST audit? A GST audit is a detailed review of your financial records, tax filings, and business transactions to ensure that your GST returns, GSTR1, GSTR3B, GSTR9 are filed correctly. Your sales, purchases, and invoices are properly documented. Your input tax credit, ITC, claims are valid and matched with actual payments. Your books of accounts and GST returns are fully reconciled. It's a check to ensure your business is compliant, accurate, and audit-ready. Types of GST audits. There are two major types of GST audits: Self-Audit, Taxpayer Audit, Section 35-5, mandatory for businesses with annual turnover over Rs 2 crores. Requires filing of GSTR 9C, a reconciliation between your accounts and GST returns. Must be certified by a chartered accountant or cost accountant departmental audit. Section 65. Conducted by GST authorities based on red flags, discrepancies, or risk profiling. May include a full inspection of financial statements, GST records, ITC claims, and compliance history. Who needs to undergo a GST audit? You're likely required to undergo a GST audit if your business turnover exceeds Rs 2 crores annually. You're an e-commerce operator or aggregator. You're engaged in international or interstate transactions. You've received a notice from GST authorities for verification or scrutiny. Why is a GST audit so important? GST audits are more than just box checking. They protect your business from future risk, ensures legal compliance, prevents penalties and notices, uncovers errors, detects ITC mismatches, filing errors, or unintentional tax shortfalls, prevents disputes, helps you fix issues before the department does, builds financial accuracy, keeps your records clean and audit ready. Consequences of non-compliance. Avoiding or delaying a GST audit can lead to late filing penalties, 18%, interest, GST registration, suspension, legal action. How Filings Corner helps you with GST audits. We offer end-to-end audit support, including pre-audit review, GSTR 9C, filing document verification, representation before authorities, post-audit resolution. Our team of expert chartered accountants and tax professionals make sure your audit is done right the first time. Affordable and hassle-free audit packages. At Filings Corner, we provide cost-effective GST audit services for MSMEs and startups, large enterprises and corporates, e-commerce businesses, exporters and service providers. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to book your GST audit with expert support. Filings Corner, compliance you can count on.